Before history had a name, stone was already speaking. Blocks so vast, they defy the logic of their time. From these cliffs came the bones of a civilization. Legend says a giantess once walked this land. She carried stone as if it were weightless, and life, even as she carried the impossible. They say she lived on beans and wild honey. But time reveals a different kind of strength. Not giants, but hands guided by ingenuity. Stone placed upon stone, precision without metal. At its heart, a ritual of fertility and faith. 5,000 years later, it still stands. The legend of Il-Ġgantija,